In this practice session, we are going to upgrade Ubuntu 18.04 operating system to Ubuntu 20.04. I have this virtual machine Ubuntu 18.04 already installed. So kernel is 5.3. So we are going to update now. So before upgrading any operating system, you need to make sure that that operating system packages has to be up to date. So for up to date making up to date packages, we need to run some commands. First update, upgrade, and dist upgrade. This package updation we need to do. So I run first sudo apt update. So these are the package upgradable. So we need to upgrade these packages by running sudo apt upgrade. Why? So now all packages are going to up to upgrade latest version in Ubuntu 18.04. So upgraded all packages. Again we need to upgrade since a newly upgraded 0 remove 0 is up to date. These all packages are up to date now. Then dist upgrade also we need to do by running sudo apt-get dist upgrade. Auto remove for removing older kernel. We don't have any old kernel in this operating system. So reboot. After completing this, just reboot it. Then log in again Ubuntu 18.04. Yeah, I just logged in. Then run apt hyphen purge auto remove. This also will remove older kernel. Then apt install upgrade update hyphen manager hyphen core. We need to install this update manager core. So I have already installed this update manager core. This is the steps you just remember: update, upgrade, dist upgrade, add to remove, and update manager core. These four things has to be done before going to upgrade Ubuntu 18.04 to Ubuntu 20.04. Sorry. Then sudo do release upgrade you need to run. So this will show the compatibility of operating system, it's upgradable or not. So there is no development version is an LTS available. To upgrade the latest non-LTS development release, set prompt normal /etc update manager release upgrade. So we need to set some prompt in /etc/update hyphen manager /release hyphen upgrade path. It's already by default there, but just we'll verify. No need to verify also, we'll go ahead for upgradation. Do release, yeah, now upgradation is started. Sudo do release upgrade hyphen d. So it will take lot of time. Internet should speed should be more or high if you are going to do then this upgradation. So we need to press yes. Reading cache package manager continue to run. We need to press yes. Then your system does not have connection to the snap store. So to best upgrade experience, make sure that your system can be connected to internet and press continue yes. So let's pause this. because that will take time. And here also, if you want to check details, installing upgrading can take several hours. Once download has finished, the process cannot be cancelled. So you have downloaded total around 1 GB, and so these are the details package will get upgrade by pressing D. If you want to continue, press Y. Now I press Y and it's going to continue. And let me pause because say there are so many packages and are there, it will take lot of time. See 18 minutes it's showing till. So we need to pause and wait for the next step. Yeah, a package has been downloaded. Now we're going to extract and patching, extract and installing latest packages. Setting up, locate, installing new version, config, upgrading now. Now upgrading is started. Extracting package has been started. 93% process triggering, upgrading, patching, extracting, pre-configuring packages, setting up some packages. So these so many things is going to happen in when you do upgrade, dist upgrade. Now kernel also is going to upgrade because currently kernel 5.3 is there. So after upgrading it will go to 5.4. That also we are going to change, check. So this is our 192.168.0.1 machine. Just remember this because once this upgradation is finished, we are going to reboot and again we are going to log in same machine and we are checking the operating system details. Everything is going to upgrade. Softwares, packages, kernel. Yeah, see, now it's 5.4 kernel is starting to get installed. Press continue for S because 294 package is going to be removed from older operating system. So press yes, we don't require that packages and all. See these are details. All packages are kernel packages, everything is going to remove from older operating system. Older in the sense like 18.04 operating system. Restart required. System update is complete. Restart required. To finish upgrade, to restart, press Y. So we are going to press Y now. Yeah, restarting our machine. Yeah, this is 18.04. Restarting. There's a login. It's converted to 20.04. You can check host name also. Our Ubuntu 18 is host name is there. That also will be similar if you go to login. Go to terminal. Ubuntu 18, yeah, and just check sudo take root access by running sudo -s. Enter apt update. Update also is happening now. update is done, all machine is up to date. Upgrade, it's up to date. Dist upgrade. Whenever you are going to install Ubuntu, so update, upgrade, dist upgrade has to be done, and auto remove as well. Kernel check, kernel 5.4. Previously it was 5.3.